what's up? Today we're gonna have a crazy video, guys. Here is my parrot Cosmo and my dog Lily, and today, guys, it's gonna be crazy. And here is some shout out before we start the video. So if you wanna be in the next shout out, you just need to comment down below and hit the like button and subscribe right now, guys, so you don't miss any more videos. Guys, I heard something. Oh my god. Was there something, Lily? Lily is also feeling so weird. She's moving a lot. What's wrong, Lily? There's someone, guys. Guys, if you see something, okay, comment down below. Even Cosmo is getting scared. Cosmo, what's wrong? Cosmo? What's wrong with Cosmo, guys? Oh my god, guys, Cosmo is getting crazy. What is happening? Cosmo, are you okay? Lily? Guys, comment down below if you see something really suspicious happening here. Maybe there is a ghost or something here in our house. Can we look for it? Hello? Hello? Who is this? Cosmo, who is here? Hello? Why is Cosmo so scared? Why you jumped on me? Oh my god, guys. Cosmo is so scared. Cosmo, let's go. Come on. Let's see what's happening here. Or maybe there is someone. Hello? Is there someone? No, there is no one. Hello? Hello? Cosmo, where is it? Where do you see someone? Guys, there is no one. Guys, who is here in our house? Hello? So weird. Oh my god. Cosmo, what's wrong with you again? Oh my god. Huh? Why are you looking the backside? Wait a minute. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, guys! Almost in my house! Oh my god! Did you guys see? Oh my god, what just now happened? Almost there is in my house, guys! Please need everyone's help right now and support! Oh my god, hit the subscribe button with the bell notification right now! We need to leave this place! I have to change my house! Come on, let's go!